This cinnamon was once as valuable as gold. It's known as Ceylon cinnamon, or true cinnamon, and it's healthier and sweeter than other kinds. Sri Lanka produces 90% of the world's supply. Just like meat, cinnamon gets a grade. Ratna uses 8 in total, all based on diameter. The highest quality, known as alba, is as thin as a pencil. It's twice as valuable as H2FAQ, the lowest grade. Only one in about 25 quills gets the alba grade. Sorters like Violet grade thousands of quills a day. Once the quills are sorted, they cut them into different lengths and package them up for shipping.